Alright, right there. Trying to find that nut now. Looks like I did with it. I can't really fucking thing. You don't see a nut laying that nut loose. Should be right there. I'll take it off and look at everything.
This is a 94 Oldsmobile Ciera. It's got 3100 motor on it, and it's the fuel pump quit pumping the other day, and so what we did was put another fuel pump in it, and it still wouldn't pump. So what we did was came to the relay, and there's no power at the relay. I just want to do this video because this is a 3100 and the fuel pump quit on it. Couldn't figure out why. So we put another fuel pump in, it still didn't pump. So just want to show you what to look for. This right here is the fuel pump fuse, and you got a relay too, and it's right here. There's the relay. I got it out, but that's the relay right there. And on the fuel pump relay, first on the fuse, I didn't have no power at this fuse with a test lot, and or at the relay. None of those had power on them, and couldn't figure out why. So got to looking at the wiring diagram, and there's some fusible links. I'll show you where they are. So, up under the car here. Right there are some fusible links. Right here. You can see the one I fixed right there. It was blown, and that killed all the power to the relay and the fuel pump fuse. And put a new fusible link there. These are about a starter. They go about a starter here. Alright. So I need to get back up under there later and clean up under there and everything. Now